In this highly requested video, I will show you step by step from start to finish how to buy and renew PlanetWatch licenses for almost 90% discount. Coming right up. First, the coffee. Before going into the specific steps, let's take a look at the plan. If you want to buy a sensor or need to renew your license, the direct method will currently not look appealing. So a Type 3 renewal for 1 year costs around 60 euros. But using the method shown today, we can buy it for around 8 euros. Like I said in the beginning, almost 90% discount. So we have a very effective workaround, and that is using PW credit and the discount vouchers. So we will install Pera Wallet, create a new account and configure it. Then we will use it on Tinyman to exchange algos or planets to PW credit. For each 100 PW credit tokens, we can buy a voucher that will get us 19 euros or $100. Currently, you can get those 100 tokens for around $10 worth of algos or planets. And that will be part 3 of this video. The fourth part will be how to redeem the vouchers in the e-commerce PlanetWatch website. And the fifth and final part, we will buy together a Type 4 license using only vouchers. And yes, you can buy or renew licenses using only these vouchers, as that is what I did a few months ago for my entire sensor fleet. And bonus, these vouchers are available until the end of 2023, and more than that, if you renew your license in this month, you will get extra license months. Check the green month campaign, link in the description below and in the pinned comment. Now going into the steps, the first one is to create and configure an Algorand account using Pera Wallet. I will show you the mobile app steps, but the ones on the web version are similar. So we will go to App Store on iOS or Play Store on Android, search for Pera Algo Wallet and download it. Once this is done, we open it. If this is your first time, it will ask you to create a PIN. In order to create an account, tap on the plus button and then select I want to create an account. Here, the app informs us that the next 25 words we will see form the passphrase of the account. Those combination of words in that exact order provide us the full access to the account and everything in it. So we will make sure to have this written down on a piece of paper, keep it safe, and don't ever share it with anyone. Not even support teams will ask for it. It's only for our eyes only. This passphrase is the only way to import the account, so make sure not to lose it. Tap on I understand and let's move on to the next screen. Tap on I'm ready to begin, and once you have a pen and some paper handy, write down these words including the numbers next to them. They represent the order. Once we are done, tap on next. In this screen, we need to verify that we wrote down the words correctly by answering a few questions. If we pass this verification, we can tap on next button. The next step is to assign it a name that is meaningful. Once the account is created, the next step is to add at least 0.5 algos in it. This will allow us to enable assets and make transfers. To do that, we can either go with this button, if available, that will allow us to buy algos using our credit card via MoonPay. Another option is to transfer it from another account or from an exchange. I will go with the later option. For that, we need the account address. So in the app, select the new account from the home screen, tap on Wallet button in the top right corner, and then use either copy address for the written version or show address for the QR code version. I'll show you how to do that from another account here in Pera. So, select the account from where you want to transfer and tap on Send. Then select Algo. then the amount you want to transfer, and tap Next. On the next screen, we will select from the list the new account or paste the written address. Then we need to confirm the transfer, and it's done. Now that we have some algos in the account, we can activate an asset like planets. To do that, go to the home screen and tap on the new account that we created a few steps ago. Here, tap on the plus button and search for Planet, and tap plus on the button next to it. Approve the activation, and we should see this message once it's completed. Before going to the next part of the tutorial, make sure to have tokens to exchange for PW credit. So transfer using this method shown before, algos or planets, to this new account. Now that we have an Algorand account and tokens in it, we need to swap them for PW credit tokens. So in a browser, go to app.tinyman.org. Link will be in the description below and in the pinned comment. Here we need to connect the platform to our wallet by clicking on the button in the top right. In this pop-up, we will select Pera Wallet and select Connect with Pera Mobile option. So grab the mobile device and open Pera Wallet app. Then tap on Settings and Wallet Connect Sessions. Using the camera, scan the QR code on our computer screen and select the new account and tap on Next. On our computer, now that we have the account connected, we need to change a setting. So clicking the wheel button and then on Security tab. Here we will turn off Hide Unverified Assets. This will allow us to select more easily PW credit when making a swap. To do the exchange, also called a swap, click on the token in the To section and search for PW column credit and select it. In the From section, select the token you want to swap from. I'll go with Planet since this is what I have in the account. Now the key here is to input the amount of PW credit that you need. Remember, 100 PW credit will get you 95 euros on the European website or $100 in the international one. And always round up. Since I will buy a Type 4 license, one voucher is enough. So I will need 100 PW credit. If you don't have the necessary amount for the swap, you will see the From card in red and the current balance here. At the moment of the recording, the pool has low liquidity, and that is why I saw this warning. Regardless, you will get an amazing discount using this method, even if the exchange rate is flagged as bad by Tinyman. So click on Swap and confirm it. Now that we have the tokens, let's buy the voucher. In a browser, go to explorer.planetwatch.io. Link once again in the description and in the pinned comment. Log in using your credential in the top right corner button. Then click on Menu button and choose Marketplace and then Vouchers. Select the one for your store and the quantity you want to buy, and click on Add to Cart. In the open pop-up, confirm the terms and then close it. Now we will go to the cart page by clicking the top right cart button. Review the order, scroll down and click on Order Now and confirm the checkout. Here we will click on Change Algo Wallet. It's also a good idea to have any ad or pop-up blocker turned off for this site before going further. Then we will click on Connect Your Wallet button. We will see the Pera Connect pop-up, and once again we will select Pera Mobile. Open the Pera app on your mobile device. Tap on Settings, Wallet Connect Sessions, scan the QR code with the camera and select the account with PW credits. Then on our computer, click in the Account Address button and then on the Pay button. Once again, we need to go to the mobile device and approve the transaction. If you see this message, then the purchase was successful. Now, in order to redeem the voucher that we just purchased, we need in PlanetWatch Explorer to go to Menu, Vouchers and My Vouchers. Here we will see all the vouchers that we bought, the newest being the first ones. So if you purchased multiple vouchers in the previous part, you will have a card like this for each voucher. So copy the voucher code, then open a new tab and go to the PlanetWatch website according to your region. So planetwatch.io for Europe and planetwatch.us for the rest of the world. Then we will click on the account button in the top right corner and log in using our e-commerce credentials. Once you are logged in, click on Wallet and View Dashboard. In this page, select Discount Voucher. Paste the voucher code and click on Redeem. If you see this message, then you successfully redeemed it and it's ready to use. Repeat these copy and paste steps for each voucher that you bought and make sure that your wallet balance is equal or above what you will need in order to buy the licenses or the renewals. In the last part of this tutorial, I will show you how to use the vouchers that we bought and redeemed in the previous steps. So make sure that you are logged in the e-commerce website and in the wallet have the necessary balance for your purchase. Then go to Products and select what you need to buy. I think it's obvious, but I will still mention it. If you have an expired license or one that is about to expire, you need to buy renewals. If you have a new sensor, you need to buy a standard license. Today I will buy a new Type 4 license for 3 years and add it to the cart. In the cart page, click on Proceed to Checkout. Then at the bottom of the payment page, after fulfilling our details, select Wallet as Payment. Check the license agreement and policy and click Place Order. This is the screen that we want to see in order to confirm our purchase. If you just bought license renewals, I will have in the top right corner and in the description and pinned comment link to my tutorial on how to use it. If you bought sensors, I will put links to onboarding them in the description below. That's it for this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and stay tuned. Until next time, see ya!